glowing. Nice.
Thank you for this opportunity, again, to just come and worship you and lead other people in worship. Lord, we're just so thankful. Thank you for the gift.
It's a reasonably sized camera. It's not like a...
But it just feels intense.
So, that's fair. Ah! Whoa.
So it's kind of refreshing. It's not like you have to draw things out of them. They're like, this is what we do. We come to group and we dig down. It's great.
I have freshmen too, and I feel that way. I'm getting an opportunity to share. I am a little weary. I'm a little exhausted, so just pray me through that one. But I feel very strong.
Welcome!
Nice. Birthday girl. Let me see your sash.
Welcome.
Nice. Oh, awesome.
Good luck. Is it going?
Thank you.
Something.
Okay. Hang on. That's. You have to act excited.
Hey, Sam!
Nice.
Wait, do it again.
That's good. Okay, hit two. All right.
Ready, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that's great. That's awesome. Nice.
Did you see me?
Sweet. Good to be here. Yeah! Oh, that wasn't even an act. That's good. Heck yeah.
This guy's awesome.
I'm literally.
Oh, I'm so excited. Yay!
That's really good. Wow, that's incredible. I love it. Nice. Good job. But yep, it's a video. Hug each other or something. Oh, that's nice. Yes, you love to see it.
Hey guys, we're being recorded. Sam.
I'm so happy to be here.
Nice. Oh, nice. Nice. It's good.
Hey, you.
Micah Persing fan page, dude.
Yeah,
I saw you at the concert. Why?
I was not at the concert. New people every week. Follow the family.
Go.
We have to do it together.
I know my neighbor was.
Ready? Is it going?
Yep. What's up, Sam? Oh, shoot. Ashley.
It's like 1,000.
Yes, sir. Wait.
Yeah. Wait, Joel, give me the... Alright, Watson. Yeah, that's good. Alright.
Hi, Carissa!
That's really good. Good stuff. That's such a hard picture right there. Look at that.
Hold on, Samuel.
Hey.
Make this into a Lamar Jackson edit.
Say that we love you and then we were disobedient, Jesus, and you still love us. So we just take this moment to recognize that, Lord, and to thank you for that. And we don't want anything else. Would we not want anything else? We'd be so completely desperate for you, Jesus. That's our prayer tonight.
I'll give you this life. You're everything I wanted and so much more. And if it costs me the breath that I breathe, I'll waste it all on you. I'll give it freely. 'Cause I have all that I need. You can take my life and my plans.
For from you are all things, and to you are all things.
reigns and rules in a very different way than the world does. And he invites him, now inviting people to come and be a part of his kingdom. It says, as Jesus was walking beside the Sea of Galilee, he saw two brothers, Simon called Peter and the other, and his brothers Andrew. They were casting a net into the lake, for they were